I'm Jone Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup, and today I'm going to be reviewing the latest from the IPSY Glam Base Bag for August 2021. Let's see what's inside, shall we? All right. This bag has a particular smell to it. I guess it's that plasticky type of smell. Interesting. This is the IPSY bag. It looks very grown-up-ish, right? Like you could take this to a party and throw in a couple of your beauty products and be on your way. And the IPSY logo is down here. They don't have it so much up here, but it has a lovely avocado color underneath. Snap enclosure. There we go. The snap enclosure right there. And here is the card, and this says for August 2021, the theme is Wanderlust. How apropos. Oh, and this lists what's in the bag, which is nice. That's a cute little butterfly up there. I like that. It says, time to unwind. Your 5 new glow bag products valued at $50 plus are here for your me time. Oh, and there's the IPSY logo right down there. What is this, I wonder? Okay, we're gonna find out. This first item is called Authentic Beauty Concept Hydrate Mask. Okay, behold, the perfect weekly treatment for damaged, coarse, or curly hair. Oh, so it's a hair mask. Great. And they say the tip is to work through clean, damp hair, leave on for 10 minutes, and then rinse. Okay, so it's not a leave on. And the price tag for the normal size, which I believe is 6.7 ounce, is $38 US. I don't know what it looks like inside. Very creamy. It's like a typical mask. It has that textured look. You see that? Very thick. Oh my goodness. Very thick. But now you know. It does have a slight scent. It's almost like a fruit mask. That's what it smells like. It smells like slightly a fruit. If I find the ingredient list, I'll post it here somewhere. All right, I like that. A hair mask. Already a good start to the IPSY bag. IPSY by Bedro, one of my first ever fave brands. Okay, what is this? Oh, this is so cute. And as usual, always with the pale green. This is their Glowy Powder in Peachy Glow. I think I like this already. Get ready to glow. This silky, soft powder, it's infused with light reflecting mica, soft peachy pigments, and moisturizing coconut oil, adds a hint of shimmer and sheen color to skin for a complexion that's radiant and luminous. Okay. And they say for a tip, use a highlighter brush to blend the highlighter in circular motion anywhere you just want to glow. And the price for this, 10.21 G for the full size, I guess, is $18. I don't know if this is the full size. Maybe it's bigger. This is 0.15. So yeah, this is definitely smaller. So the other one is a bit bigger than that, but it's like a weird plastic smell, which I wasn't expecting. Maybe it's from the packaging itself, this part, or it could be from the bag. I don't know. That's what it looks like. Feels slightly grainy and smooth. That's what, ooh, let's see. That's nice, right? Can I get that right? Yeah, that's really pretty. This is the Shea brand, Shea Natural Lip Balm. Always. A lip balm is a girl's favorite friend, even a boy's favorite friend. I think a lip balm should be in every person's arsenal. Let's see here. This isn't one of the lip balms you have to apply and then reapply seconds later. Okay, that's good. It treats lips to long-lasting moisture. Thank you, shea butter, coconut oil, vitamin E, and beeswax. Okay, so if you wanted to know if beeswax is in here, apparently it does contain beeswax. And covers them in a protective coating. Now it does say to apply to lips as throughout the day as needed. So it's not something that stays permanently or just stays on their lips and you can't take it off, or it doesn't wear off over time. But this is not one of those lip smackers that you just put on and then within 10 seconds or a minute, it's gone. So I like that. And the retail price for this is $8. And I believe this has to be full size. Lip balms usually aren't bigger than this, but look at that gorgeous packaging. Okay, there's the top. It appears like it's made out of, I want to say paper. Feels like one of those hard papers. Maybe it's disposable like that. That'd be awesome. Now, how do I open this? It's push bottom. Okay, so let's, there we go. There's no scent. I sense that it has a waxy bit smell, but it's not overpowering. It's not perfumey or anything. Feels very smoothing on the lips. Glides on easily, like butter practically. Because again, it has the coconut and beeswax in there. And it's clear. And as you press it to your lip, like it goes down. Then you have to press it up again through here, which is fine. But yeah, it feels like this is more like a paper. Yeah, very nice. And this is the Mine Tan Rapid Recovery Moisturizing Lotion. Dealing with dry skin, a combo of hyaluronic acid and ceramides, two essential hydration boosters. In this lotion, work together to protect, plump, and replenish your skin from the neck down. Oh, so it's not from the face, it's for the body. Okay. So for even more hydrating results, apply to damp skin after showering. Okay. So the price for this at 207 ml would be how much? 22? I think it says $22.95, but I'll put the price here. It's a little expensive, but for the body, oh, that's a lot. It's creamy, but also liquidy. So a little, be careful how, I even got a little on my nose. It smells nice. It smells like, I dare say I want to say coconut, but they didn't mention coconut in here. I'm just gonna apply it to my hands, maybe to my neck. Yeah, I get like this, a faint scent of what's coming across to me as coconut. Again, I will find the list of ingredients and I'll post it around. This is the Elenia Bedro Synthetic Fluff Brush. There's a reason professional and celebrity makeup artists love to keep this brush in their kit. It seamlessly applies and blends powder, gel, and cream eyeshadows thanks to the curved brush head and soft, fluffy bristles. Plus, it's vegan and it's cruelty-free. Never heard of this brand. The brush is priced at $15, I think. I'll make sure and post the price here. This is how the brush looks, so you can see. It says it's curved. It's slightly curved up here. Can you see that? Yeah. It feels nice, but it has a firmness. It's soft, but it has a firmness. That's the main brand on because IPSY is incredible with their add-ons. They have a really nice selection. And one of the things that I also got was another lip balm, Moroccan Magic. All I can say about this month is that IPSY knows me so well. There's nothing like fresh, dewy skin, moisturized skin, a little bit of glow, and makeup tools. These are basic, Oh wait, and I almost forgot. It's always good to have a hair mask. So hair, skin, makeup tools, a little bit of makeup, love it. The only thing that's missing is a lipstick. Just saying. But otherwise, what a great way to end the month of August. What a great way. And of course, if you follow me and checked out several of my videos, you know my appreciation and respect and love for makeup tools. Not just skincare and hair care products. Makeup. I have a soft spot for makeup tools. And this month was no different. So in the add-ons, they had Farrah brushes. Do you see them here? Amazing, right? And these are just, thank goodness they put the label on here, but usually after a while, I noticed, I guess from, you know, just using them in your body heat, it tends to rub away what they're called. So I'm taking advantage now of what these are and just read these to you. This is the Farrah Medium Angled Shading 55E brush. I'm gonna show you what it looks like within. It has kind of an angle to the brush, you see that? Oh, so soft though. But that's what it looks like. I hope you can see that. Loving it. And then this next one is called what? This is the Farrah Blender Brush 25E. I wonder if this is their new, these are their newer brushes or not, I'm not sure. But you notice the difference? This is kind of longer than this one, and this one's skinnier than this one. They have a curve, but this has a angle, a slight angle to it, whereas this has like a dome. See the difference? Side by side so you can see quick. See that? The angle on here and the arc on here. Beautiful. Yay for makeup tools. So what do you think? That's it for IPSY Glam Bag base subscription for August 2021. Just in time before the end of August. Are you an hipster? What did you get in your bag? Did you try the add-ons? Let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't already, hit that like button. And even better, hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you know my next video will be up. Thank you so much for watching me and joining me on my latest makeup unboxing adventure. And I hope to see you on my next one. Stay safe. Take care.